Hi, my name is Marissa, and I chose to get pursue my master's degree at this point in my life because I wanted to go right for my master's when I graduated from my undergrad back in May, but I wanted to wait a few months and look into the right program that fit me best because I want to be a trauma therapist. But I wanted to make sure that the program I was in had the right courses that I needed to take to be the best for my degree. And when I looked into other programs, they would say that they were trauma focused, but then you would look into the classes and there would only be a few. Um, and right now, my job, I work crazy hours, but it's pretty flexible. So I can also do my internship if I want there because there's different places. And say I'm working a really long day, I would be able to do homework in the middle of the day. So at this point, it was a really good time for me to begin my master's degree.